In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own customized version of a game template using Google Slides. First, let's start by opening your game template file within Google Slides. Once you have it open, you'll want to look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option that says File. Go ahead and click on that. Your next step will be to hover over and select Make a Copy, and then choose Entire Presentation. This selection is crucial because it allows you to replicate the entire slide deck, ensuring that you have all the elements needed for your new game version. A dialog box will pop up on your screen titled Copy Document. This is where we need to make some important choices. First, give your copy a brand new name. For instance, you could name it Game Template Copy, or something else that makes sense for your project. Next, decide where you'd like to save this new version in your Google Drive. You can click to select a folder that you've already created, or simply place it in your main drive area. There's a checkbox option that asks if you want to share it with the same people. This is useful if you want others to have the same access to this new copy as they did with the original template you started from. If that sounds like something you want, go ahead and check that box. If not, you can leave it unchecked and proceed. When you're ready, click OK or Make a Copy. Your new file will open automatically in a separate tab. This means the copy you've just made is independent of the original template, giving you the freedom to edit without any worries about altering the master template that you've been given. Now, here's where the real fun begins: customization. With this new copy, you have the freedom to experiment and tweak it to your liking. Feel free to edit the text to suit your game's needs or change the colors to better fit your theme or branding. Perhaps you'd like to swap out some images for ones that better capture the essence of your new game. And don't forget to review the interactions and ensure they're tailored to how you want your game to flow. The beauty of working with a copy is that these changes won't affect your original template. You can always return to the original if you need to start fresh or make another copy for a different project. So there you have it, an easy way to create a personalized version of your game template in Google Slides. With this new copy, the possibilities for creativity and customization are endless. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy slide crafting.